have light winds in place.
That's helpful.
So that's helpful when the fires actually start. They won't spread as quickly. The other thing that's going to help is the humidity climbing. It doesn't help that the fires are actively there, but it will help limit any fires here in the, that could potentially happen. So things are headed in the right direction weather-wise. Yeah, absolutely.
It's hard for those firefighters to be in all that gear, though, in these temperatures. They can't do anything about that.
They can't do anything about that, unfortunately. And what we're going to notice is because of the higher humidity, the heat index will be higher. So that means that it'll be way more uncomfortable being out, especially fighting those fires. But I want to show you just how limited any rain production is across the state. We're looking rain-free for the entire Lone Star State, maybe a little cloud cover for areas of Louisiana and the Texas Panhandle. That's really about it. Right now, our trend tower camera in Rockwall showing a temperature of 97 degrees under a blue sky. Blue sky is also over downtown Dallas. The temperature today did make it into the triple digits. We'll still be at about 99 degrees around 7, 93 degrees around 9. We only dropped to about 80 degrees overnight, and that 80 degrees is warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year with light winds in place. So here's what you got to know. We're still expecting more triple-digit heat days. We do have humidity on the rise as the week goes on. That's going to bring up the heat index. And we are talking about rain possible late week, but do not get your hopes up. This is going to be a very slim chance. Most of us will just feel that heat. And tomorrow, we'll notice temperature again climbing similar to today. We make it to about 93 degrees around 11, 98 degrees around 1. The heat index in the triple digits by then. 101 for the high. That happens between 4 and 5. The heat index won't be a major factor for tomorrow, but what will be is the UV index. It'll be added 10. This is on a scale of 0 to 11, with 0 being low, 11 being extremely high. So 10 is considered high for tomorrow. Be sure to wear any sun protection. That UV will be intense. It peaks, by the way, between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. High temperatures for your Wednesday, once again, likely in the triple digits. We make it to about 102 in Denton, 100 for Fort Worth and in McKinney, 101 for Dallas and in Terrell. We'll be at about 102 for the heat index in Dallas, about 102 in Denton, 101 for Fort Worth, as well as in McKinney. Look at how this is going to change, though. Our temperature, yes, triple digits Wednesday, triple digits Thursday, upper 90s Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's not too far off from what's considered normal this time of the year, which is 97. But look at what the heat index does. We're at 102 for Wednesday. Look at how it climbs up to 106 by Friday, 107 Saturday, 106 on Sunday. This is simply because the humidity will be higher, and that's a contributing factor to the heat index. So we will likely see some heat alerts get issued late week into the weekend. So be sure to keep checking back in with us for updates on that. As far as the rain potential goes, it's not much. It's about 10%. Right now, it looks like it could happen Friday, Saturday afternoons. This will be primarily east of DFW, where there is a little bit more moisture available. All thanks to that ridge of high pressure, the heat dome. It's really over the desert southwest. It's still allowing a brief opportunity for rain potential in North Texas. Right underneath the heat dome is where you find all of the heat alerts. That's why we don't necessarily see the heat alerts right now. 80 degrees expected tonight, to light winds in place, 101 for the high on Wednesday. And on that 14-day forecast, we are looking at morning lows near 80 degrees, upper 90s expected over the weekend into early parts of next week. And then after that, as we head towards the middle part of August, a long string of triple-digit heat days.